Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Well, this is a great illustration. I talk about this in the room all the time. Now, first of all, this MTC, okay, this was a 50-cent stock on Friday last, and look what it got up to today, almost $5, okay? Now, we saw this move here. We were watching this move right there, and then all of a sudden it just absolutely took off. And now look what happened afterwards. So, this is an illustration of why you cannot leave your computer if you get into one of these what I call crazy stocks, okay? Because even if you left your computer for 30 seconds, this could, I don't know what on the 1 minute chart was, but this was already moving down, and look where it is now, 137. And so and we could find no news, we could find absolutely no news of why this had a run. This is a China stock, but we could find no news. But it's just a great illustration how you've got to be awfully careful when you get into some of these really low price ones. And they have these parabolic runs. You cannot leave your computer. Anyway, guys, that is it for this week. So have a great weekend, and we'll see you Monday morning at 9 o'clock.